Some of our successfully accomplished projects include Reliance Industries, Novartis, Reliance Capital, Tata Consultancy Services, Oracle, CRISIL, Nokia, Infinity 2, Malad, Johnson & Johnson, 3G Auditorium and Cafeteria, BNP Paribas, Lodha Experience Center, Edelweiss.
I'm Sumeer Yadav. I'm the Head of Administration Facilities for Star India Private Limited. And in fact, about a year back, we started off working towards movement of all our offices under one roof. And that's where we had a very clear intent of taking our office completely wireless. We were looking at various companies to be dealing with and who could provide us with great solutions, that how can we go absolutely wireless in the office. And I believe that's where Solutions India came into picture. In fact, those guys are very professional. I think these guys have been doing a good job. They came us with some, recommended us some great solutions which we had never even thought about. So I think these guys have done a tremendous job, and it's full of experience. I never thought an audiovisual company can create these kind of experiences for an end user.
I am Dr. Amit Mahadev, Chairman of the Baldota Institute of Digestive Sciences at Global Hospital, Mumbai. I had given a very challenging task to Solutions India to develop a audiovisual integration of our department, which is probably one of the largest GI and endoscopy institutes of the country. My experience with Solutions India, if I were to sum up, it can be said that their entire team has been extremely receptive, very friendly and extremely knowledgeable. Medical conferencing today has become very high-tech with a lot of audiovisual equipment and video conferencing equipment, and all the equipment which has been installed by Solutions India has been contemporary and state-of-the-art. And I'm very proud that we have one of the best AV integration systems in the country because of Solutions India.
My name is Mukul Dikshit. I am responsible for projects and engineering for Cipla. And when we wanted the audiovisual package partner to us, we found Solutions to be a very interesting partner there. They have demonstrated their capabilities on the various modern techniques of the AV systems. They importantly have also brought in very good new features into the system. And topping it up is the passion and the zeal with which their teams work. We found Solutions to be the best partners to us. The team that has worked on the field has done it very impressively, and they've done a clean and a neat job out of it. We expect a good relationship happening with this company in the near future.
It's been a great experience working with Solutions India Private Limited. They've delivered the equipment exactly as per the specifications and the requirements of Woodfield, and it's been a great experience working with Solutions India. It's a team of extremely professional individuals who have also commissioned the project on time, and I would definitely recommend everybody to go and get their AV equipments and solutions done from Solutions India. Thank you.
My name is Kailash Kaimal. I am the head of IT at Peninsula Land Limited. Peninsula Land is a prime player in the real estate segment and known for its niche offerings in the residential and commercial space. The need to have more frequent interactions with our project teams and other stakeholders became all the more important. That's when we decided to look at a solution that will help us address this problem. Me and the team evaluated various solutions that were offered by various vendors, and SISPL was one among the vendors who provided us with all the inputs that we required. During the course of our evaluation, we found SISPL technically far superior in their knowledge about video conferencing and boardroom solutions. SISPL solution met our requirements fully. SISPL was also able to understand our requirements and our budgets, and that's what helped us narrow down with SISPL as a solution provider for our project. The solution has been fully implemented and accepted well by the end users and all stakeholders. We are very happy with the technical knowledge of SISPL and their professional approach in this entire project. I would recommend SISPL to all of you who are also keen to have a similar solution implemented in their organization.
Technology simplifies life. We simplify technology. Keep it classy. Keep it simple with Solutions India Systems Private Limited.